As we're going live, we'll just make sure everything's good, and then we'll see how things are catching up. There are changes to the PT test coming from August 7, 2025, and everything I'm going to discuss in this particular video. Let's wait for a couple of seconds, a few seconds, and then we'll start. All right, just give me a second. Are we live or no? We are live, I guess. All right. Yes, we are live. So it is official, guys. PT Academic is changing from August 7, 2025. There are quite a few changes. So I really want you to pay attention. PT has dropped this bomb few hours ago that yes, it's official. We are changing. We are adding a few new question types. The marking criteria is changing a bit. Uh, there will be a bit more human involvement in the test from August 7, 2025. If you're taking the test before that, even on 6th of August, you don't need to stress. All right. So what are the changes? First of all, there used to be, still there are 20 different question types, and in speaking, we used to get 5 different question types: read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, read a lecture, and answer short questions. Now, along with that, we are going to have two new question types. The first one is summarize group discussion, in which you will get a recording where 3 people will be speaking or discussing something, and you'll have to summarize it in 2 minutes. You'll be given 2 minutes to give your response. You will get 2 to 3 summarized group discussion, and this task, like read a lecture, will give you points in listening and speaking. Next, seventh question type will be respond to a situation. You will be given a situation with the text on your screen, and you'll have to respond to that particular situation in 40 seconds. You will get 2 to 3 of these as well. This question is right now available in PT core test, but now it will be added to PT academic test as well from August 7, 2025. So two new question types. After that, the number of questions are changing a bit as well. Nowadays, every student is getting 3 or 4 describe images. From now, you'll get 5 to 6 describe images. Now, at the moment, students are getting only one retail lecture. From August 7, you'll get 2 or 3 retail lectures. Summarized written text will be strictly 2 summarized written text. Essay will be only 1. Summarized spoken text, sometimes students used to get 1, sometimes 2. Now you'll only get 1. Reading MCQ single and MCQ multiple, 2 each. Sometimes students used to get 1, or sometimes students used to get 2. From now, 2 each. And then listening MCQ multiple, listening MCQ single and highlight correct summary, 2 to 3. And listening select missing word, 1 or 2. Rest everything is same. Now, what are the changes in the marking criteria? PT has brought forward changes, means along with artificial intelligence, they are now integrating human checking for whichever response the artificial intelligence will flag. This was implemented in describe image and read a lecture, that whenever artificial intelligence thinks or flags out that this person is speaking a pre-memorized template, your response was then sent to a human examiner to check. This was only applicable in describe image and read a lecture, only 2 question types. But from now, it will be applicable in 7 different question types: describe image, read a lecture, essay, summarize written text, summarize group discussion, respond to a situation, and summarize spoken text as well. So in these 7 question types, you'll still be able to use templates, as I've always told you in my videos, but your content will actually be required to be relevant. It's not that you're speaking anything, you're recklessly using templates. sorry, it's not going to work anymore. You will still be able to use structure, but you'll have to use relevant information. Okay, that is the change. Now, in describe image, in retail lecture, content used to be 5 points. Now in describe image and retail lecture, the scoring for content is 6. So the weightage of content is higher now. You'll have to speak relevant content. You'll have to speak relevant answers. Otherwise, sorry. Okay. So you have to make sure you just don't just rely on the templates. You can still use structures or sentences, but you'll have to speak relevant content. So 6 points for content in describe image. 6 points. For content in retail lecture. Summarize written text content used to be only 2 points. Now it is 4 points. Summarize written text content is 4 points. Essay content used to be 3 points. It is now 6 points. Development and structure used to be 2 points in essay. It is 6 points now. Summarize spoken text as well. Content used to be only 2 points on 10, but now the weightage of content in summarize spoken text has gone up. You'll have 4 points for content in summarized spoken text. These changes will be only from August 7th 2025, not before that. So there are changes. I took the test last week, look, and yesterday I made a video that there are no changes in PT in July, but yes, now I'm making a video that there are changes from August. It's, I don't know, I don't have words for it. Let me share my screen. I'll show you the updated scoring guide Pearson has released, right? That will make it easier for you to understand. Okay, let's go over there. So this is the updated scoring guide which Pearson has released. So read aloud, it's same. You'll get 6 to 7 read alouds. Repeat sentence 10 to 12. Describe image. If you look at describe image, 6 points for content. Earlier it used to be 5, and you'll get 5 to 6 describe images now. Then you'll have your retail lecture 2 to 3, 6 points for content, scoring in listening and speaking. All right. Then you'll have answer short questions. Wow. Listening. This says answer short question will only give points in listening. That's surprising. Not in speaking. Either they have missed it. I think they have missed it, because if the question is in speaking section, obviously it is supposed to give points in speaking. So they might have missed it over here. I think so. Summarize group discussion, speaking and listening. Content point 6. Respond to a situation only in speaking. Content point 6. Then we have got essay only 1. Let's missed summarize written text. 2 summarize written text. Content points earlier used to be 2, now 4. Will give you points in reading and writing. Then we have got essay only 1, content 6 points. Surprising. Form is still 2. Development, structure and coherence used to be 2 points. Now it is 6. So you'll have to make sure you have a logical flow and structure. Then you have got 2 points for grammar, 2 points for your spelling and all. Journal linguistic range is 6 points as well. So the marking criteria has changed a bit. Vocabulary is still 2 points. Spellings are 2 points as well. In reading, 2 to 3 MCQ multiple, 2 to 3 MCQ single. Take a note, please. Okay. Summarize spoken text only 1. Content points earlier used to be out of 2. Now 4 means you'll have to write better content. You'll have to make sure you are not just relying on a template. You are actually writing something relevant. Okay. So this is what it is. Rest is same. Then MCQ multiple nowadays 1 or 2. Now from now August 7th actually 2 to 3. Highlight correct summary 2 to 3. Highlight incorrect words 2 to 3 same. There's no negative marking in right from dictation, which is good. Select missing word 1 or 2, and MCQ single answer 2 to 3. So this is what it is. A bit surprising. You might feel that, yeah, why PT is changing every day, what's going on, but it is what it is. You don't need to stress. If we are here, I'm going to make sure I give my 100% to get you the latest templates, the structures which are going to work. However, I've been telling you since the beginning of this year that If you want to use the template, use it, but you'll have to add relevant content. Same thing we have applied on our website as well. If you just type an essay which is completely irrelevant, you're going to get zero. But this isn't the case on other websites, and students struggle a bit. So what I want you to tell, what I want you to take care of from August 7, 2025, PT is changing, but it will not be difficult. However, you'll have to be careful. You need to understand what the test is looking for. Total 7 questions in the speaking module, 2 new questions. The weightage of content goes up, and then in essay, in summarized written text, in summarized spoken text, weightage of content is up as well. And if the system flags out you're using a template or a structure without relevant content, it will then be sent to a human checker to mark your answer. And if it is being sent to a human examiner, there are chances that you'll have comparatively low scores. Okay, so this is one thing. Another, number of questions have slightly increased. For example, 2 to 3 MCQ, multiple and single, in both listening and reading. Summarized spoken text is only 1. Summarized written text will be strictly 2. Essay will be 1. So these are few of the changes. Yes, the changes are in PT Academic, not in PT Core, so you don't need to stress. In PT UK VI as well. If you got your exam before 7th of August, I'll highly recommend you go for the exam before 7th of August, so that you don't have to deal with all this, right? You'll have the same test. We'll be bringing up more videos. We'll be giving you more insights, more details of what other things you should be careful about, what other things you should not be doing in the test anymore. So stay tuned. That's it. If you do have any questions, ask me. Otherwise, we'll finish the live for the day. Is it good or bad? Not bad. It's okay. It's not. See, I won't say it's good, but if you know how to deal with the test, if you know what's in the test, you don't need to stress. Once you understand the marking criteria, once you know what you have to provide to the system, you'll be fine. We'll find a crack. We'll find a way around it as well. All right, that's it from this video. We'll finish for the day. I hope the video was helpful. We'll be bringing out more videos soon. I'll be posting the my test experience which I have taken in July, 3rd of July, tomorrow, so you can watch that as well. But yes, as compared to that video, there will be few changes in the test if you're taking the test after 7th of August or on 7th of August 2025. That's all. No changes in write from dictation, no changes in repeat sentence and read aloud. Don't stress. Nothing, no changes at all. Can we take the exam in July? Yes, if you take the test in July or before 7th of August, till 6th of August, your test will be same. Yes, I'll be making the video tomorrow. Kushal Patel. Summarize the changes in short way. I posted a video on Instagram as well. If you want to see the changes within 2 minutes, you can go and watch over there as well. That's all from this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Don't stress. We are here. We'll give 100% to help you out. Thank you.